Welcome back, my lovely viewers. Today I am creating something simple and something beautiful. A X-Max craft made with nature, pinecone twigs, dried, and a little bit of heart. But this is not just a craft video, it's a story. A X-Max story about a girl, a forest, and the magic hidden inside the smallest things. So sit with me, relax, and enjoy the craft as the story unfolds. Once upon a snowy December, in a small village lived a little girl named Alina. Her family did not have much, no big gifts, no shiny decoration, but Alina had something special. She had imagination. Every winter, she would walk into the forest behind her house, searching for fallen pine cones, twigs, and little treasures the trees offered. To her, these were not just pieces of nature, they were a story waiting to be transformed. One Xmas evening, Alina found a pine cone unlike any she had ever seen. It was small, slightly golden from the winter sun, lying gently in the snowy snow, almost as if it had been waiting for her. When she picked up, she felt warmth, strength, magical warmth. Spread through her fingers, she smiled, thinking maybe this pine cone has a story of its own. So she carried it home carefully like it was a precious treasure. Inside her tiny home, it only be a small lantern. Lena began crafting. With each twist of jute, each bow she tied, she whispered her wishes into the pine cone. I wish Mama smiles again. I wish Papa finds work, and I wish for a little X-Mix magic. As she worked, the pine cone began to shimmer softly, just a little glow. So faint she thought it was her imagination. The next morning, X-Mix evening, Elena placed her finished pine cone decoration in the center of their table. It was not big, it was fancy. It was not fancy, but it was beautiful because she had made it with hope. When her parents saw it, something changed. Her mother's tired eyes softened. Her father smiled for the first time in weeks. And suddenly, the little home did not feel so cold anymore. Snow That evening, a knock came at their door. It was the village carpenter offering Elena's father a job. He said he saw a small decoration in their window and felt something warm in his heart, something hopeful. Elena looked at her craft and smiled. The pine cone was glowing again, just a little, and she finally understood the magic when she creates with love. Even the smallest things can change the world. So today, as I finish this simple X-Mix craft, I hope it brings warmth to your home too. Remember, magical ways start with your own hands and your own heart. Thank you for watching. Happy X-Mix, and may your home be filled with hope, light, and handmade joy. May your home fulfilled with love, creativity, togetherness, and many more you want to have in your life. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Thank you for your amazing response. Have a very nice and very good day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Wishing you a very happy holiday and crafty ideas. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your amazing response. I wish your holiday, your festival fulfilled with creativity and many more you want to have in your life. God bless you. Keep creating something. Keep doing something beautiful and amazing and different. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Have a very nice and very good day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Keep doing very well thing. most beautiful things and keep creating. May your home fulfilled with creativity and craft. Have a very nice and very good day. Good luck. Welcome back, my lovely viewers. Today I am creating something simple and something beautiful. A X-Max craft made with nature, pinecone twigs, joint, and a little bit of heart.